Hi! We're about to start a quiz on slang and idioms. Let's see how many points you can score in 20 questions. Ready? Sit tight and listen carefully. Question 1. Bingo! The answer is C. It's raining cats and dogs means raining heavily. Question 2. Easy! The answer is A. Piece of cakes means something easily accomplished. Question 3. Bravo! The answer is D. Costs an arm and a leg means very expensive. Question 4. Bingo! The answer is C. The early bird catches the worm means be early to succeed. Question 5. Amazing! The answer is B. The last straw means the final problem that makes you give up. Question 6. Exactly! The answer is B. Time flies means time passes quickly. Question 7. Easy! The answer is A. When pigs fly means something that will never happen. Question 8. Yes, the answer is C. Put all your eggs in one basket means to rely on one plan or resource. Question 9. Great! The answer is B. The tip of the iceberg means a small part of a much bigger issue. Question 10. Brilliant. The answer is B. Not my cup of tea means something that is not to your liking. Question 11. Yes, the answer is B. Down to earth means being realistic or humble. Question 12. Great! The answer is D. Break the ice means initiate conversation. Question 13. Amazing! The answer is D. On thin ice means in a risky or precarious situation. Question 14. Brilliant! The answer is B. The ball is in your court means your turn to decide. Question 15. Bingo! The answer is D. Hit the jackpot means achieve great success, especially unexpectedly. Question 16. Easy! The answer is A. Zip your lip means stop talking or keep something secret. Question 17. Yes, the answer is C. No pain, no gain means you need to suffer or work hard to achieve something. Question 18. Bravo! The answer is A. Swamped with work means feel overwhelmed with a large amount of work. Question 19. Exactly! The answer is C. The elephant in the room means an obvious problem that is being ignored. Question 20. Bravo! The answer is D. Play with fire means engage in a risky behavior. Which level are you at? No worries, this is just practice. You can always revisit my videos to learn more slang and idioms. Check the links in the description. Keep learning and see you next time.